The Avanti electric range is designed to fit in compact spaces such as apartments, RVs, or tiny homes, with a freestanding setup. Before making a purchase, we recommend you check the best price in the description below. Its 24-inch width offers the right size for small living areas, while the versatile cooking surface with 4 coil burners gives you enough power to prepare a variety of meals. This electric range comes with a durable and user-friendly setup. The 4 coil burners, 3 6-inch and 1 8-inch, allow you to cook with flexibility, making it easy to use different pot and pan sizes. The chrome reflector bowls help distribute heat efficiently, and temperature safety sensors are built in to ensure safe and consistent cooking. The oven includes a waist-high position, making it comfortable for you to bake or broil, with a clear framed glass door for easy monitoring of your dishes. For those who enjoy precision cooking, this electric range offers an oven light with an on-off switch, along with surface and oven indicator lights. A 60-minute timer ensures you have complete control over your cooking time. In addition, the bottom pull-out storage drawer provides valuable space for storing cookware or kitchen accessories, helping you keep your kitchen organized. The framed glass oven door adds a touch of style while providing a sturdy and clear view of your food as it cooks. The broiler pan that comes included gives you everything you need to perfect your broiling techniques. Whether you're baking or broiling, this range provides the ideal tools for a convenient and efficient cooking experience. Overall, the Avanti ERU240P1B Electric Range is a compact, reliable, and versatile appliance perfect for small homes, offering great features to enhance your cooking experience.